everyone, I'm Hexy and today I'm gonna show you how to make Twitch emotes. First of all, create a new file 500 by 500 pixel and 300 dpi. This is the most common size used for emotes. If you have to draw multiple emotes, color the whole layer gray, copy it, create a larger canvas, and paste the gray layer there. I have to make 8 emotes, so I'll paste it 8 times. Next step is writing the name of the emotes on top of each square. Then, I usually draw a fast funny face to help me visualize what kind of expression I wanna draw. Sometimes, when I have no ideas, I just Google the emotes I have to draw. For example, excited emotes, wow emote, and seeing other people's work makes me inspired to do mine. But the most important thing you must not do ever in your life is to copy someone else's emote. This is banned. Never copy someone else's work. Just look at them as inspiration to make your own emotes. Now I'll make the sketch. Keep in mind to exaggerate the expressions because emotes are very tiny. If the emote is too detailed or not so expressive, it's difficult to understand what's representing. Chibi are often used for emotes because their heads and eyes are super big, so it's easy to make them very expressive. Then I scale and rotate a bit the sketch till I'm satisfied. I use vector layers when I do line art because it's easy to delete extra lines with the vector eraser, and I can also pinch and edit the thickness of the lines without losing the quality. Also, I only draw the eyes and the irises in raster layers. That is just a preference of mine. The coloring part is more personal, but keep it simple, or accentuate what you want to be more visible. And for example, I will make eyes more visible, so more detail. At the end of the process, I add the border around the emote because it gives more definition. Our emote is done. To export it, put all the layers in a folder, duplicate it, and merge to create a single layer. Then copy and paste in a 500 by 500 pixel canvas and export to PNG. But remember to delete the background layer. Then I use these two websites to help me with the process. I will leave the links in the description. This website, I can have the preview of how the emotes look like on Twitch. And I use this one to scale the emotes in the correct sizes. Last step, I added the 28 by 28 pixel emote on CSP, or you can of course use your drawing program. And as you can see it lost a lot of detail. So I'm gonna make the parts I want to be more visible darker. So for me, it's the eyes, the hands, and the sparkles around. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll be more than happy to answer it to you. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it was useful. So, bye bye everyone! See you in the next video!